Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Today in this video I am going to explain some ISC questions, means the questions which came in ISC board exams. So these are very important questions, so I thought I should explain these questions, and one exercise is given in your book of these questions. I will tell you in what way it is given. You can see here it is written for self assessment and revision. So in this way, by this name, one exercise is given, and in this exercise ISC questions are given. So some of the questions I am explaining, so which came in previous years. These are very good questions, so you can see these questions. Other questions you can do after seeing these questions. So first question, what is first question? If y equals log under root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x, find dy upon dx. Actually yesterday I completed this chapter, so all the basic concepts of these chapters will be applied in these questions. All basic concepts you have seen in my videos. Approximately 10-12 videos I put for this chapter. So in those videos, all basic things, all basic rules of differentiation I told you. So those basic rules of differentiations will be applied here in these questions. So you can see solution: y equals log under root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. How can we differentiate? First of all, you simplify this 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. You know very well, by using cos 2x formula, 1 minus cos x value is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x value is 2 cos square x by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Sin square x by 2 upon cos square x by 2, tan square x by 2. Square and this root sign will adjust, so it will remain log tan x by 2. Now you can differentiate easily. After simplification you can differentiate dy upon dx. Log x differentiation 1 upon x, so log tan x by 2 differentiation 1 upon tan x by 2 into tan x by 2 differentiation sec square x by 2 into sec x by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2. Now you can simplify again. Tan x by 2 can be written as sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2. Sec square x by 2 1 upon cos square x by 2. 1 upon 2 is same. Now this cos x by 2 will go in numerator, so it will become cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2. 1 upon cos square x by 2. 1 by 2 is same. 1 cos x by 2 in numerator and 1 in denominator, they will cancel. So what will remain? 1 upon 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. You can see here. Now 2 sin a cos a, sin 2a. So 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, sin 2 into x by 2. 2 into x by 2 means sin x. So 1 upon sin x. You can see here 1 upon sin x. 1 upon sin x is cos x. So this was the differentiation of the given question. Now second important question is coming. This question came and year is given in the book, you can see, but it came in board exam one time. So y equals e to the power m cos inverse x. Prove that 1 minus x square d2y upon dx 2 minus x dy upon dx equals m square y. How can we prove? So I have written here proof y equals e to the power m cos inverse x. It is given dy upon dx. First derivative you find, till second derivative you have to find. Yesterday I told you the exercise of second derivative. So dy upon dx, differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. You know very well. So differentiation of e to the power e to the power m cos inverse x is e to the power m cos inverse x multiplied by, now differentiation of m cos inverse x is m into cos inverse x differentiation minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, you know very well. Now you can see by simplifying minus m e to the power m cos inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square is coming. Now second step you can see now. Here you can see this portion is nothing. This portion is nothing. Here you can see this is space. I was needing space, much space. So you can see d2y upon dx2. Second derivative. U upon v I applied. Under root 1 minus x square was there. So its square will be 1 minus x square. Now under root 1 minus x square same. Differentiation of numerator. Numerator was m e to the power m cos inverse x. So differentiation of m e to the power m cos inverse x is m e to the power m cos inverse x multiplied by now m cos inverse x differentiation minus m upon under root 1 minus x square just before I did. Now minus comes in formula. M e to the power m cos inverse x is same. Now differentiation of denominator 1 minus x square under root 1 minus x square. So differentiation of under root 1 minus x square 1 upon 2 under root 1 minus x square into differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x. Again I am telling to you denominator under root 1 minus x square is same. Differentiation of m e to the power m cos inverse x is m e to the power m cos inverse x multiplied by now differentiation of m cos inverse x will come minus m upon under root 1 minus x square. Okay, now minus comes in the formula, so it is minus. This time numerator is same, m e to the power m cos inverse x is same multiplied by differentiation of denominator. Denominator is under root 1 minus x square. Its differentiation is 1 upon 2 under root 1 minus x square. Now differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x. That will also come in multiplication by chain rule. Now you simplify. When you simplify, this under root 1 minus x square is cancelled with under root 1 minus x square. So first term will be minus m square e to the power m cos inverse x. This minus sign already it is going on. It is going on already. It is given in first derivative minus sign. You can see in first derivative minus sign is given. So that's why outside the bracket minus sign I am taking. Now inside minus m square e to the power m cos inverse x. It is first term in numerator plus. Why plus? Because this minus and this minus, one more time I am telling to you, this minus and this minus, so it will become plus. Now simplify the second term, so 2 is cancelled, m x e to the power m cos inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square, and finally fully upon under 1 minus x square. Now this 1 minus x square you can take in LHS, so it will become 1 minus x square d2y upon dx2 equals minus, from this outside minus you can multiply inside the bracket, so it will become plus m square e to the power m cos inverse x minus x m e to the power m cos inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square. Now you can see this term, this is the value of dy upon dx. This is the value of dy upon dx. So that's why in next step I have put, and you can see this is the value of y, it is given. So in next step m square y plus x dy upon dx. Not x dy upon dx you can take in LHS. So final answer you are getting 1 minus x square d2y upon dx2 minus x dy upon dx equals m square y, which was to be proved. I think my steps are quite clear. If you see the video properly, clearly I have written, so clearly you can understand. Now ninth question, if x to the power p into y to the power q equals x plus y to the power p plus q, prove that dy upon dx equals y upon x. How can we prove it? So proof x to the power p into y to the power q equals x plus y to the whole power p plus q, it is given. Taking log on both sides. First you take log, then it will be easy. So you can see steps. Log x to the power p into y to the power q equals log x plus y to the whole power p plus q. Apply laws of logarithms. So log x to the power p plus log y to the power q. Log mn equals log m plus log n. That law I have applied here. Here p plus q will go behind the log. So p plus q log x plus y. Log m to the power n equals n log m. Log m to the power n equals n log m. That law of logarithm I have applied here. Now here also you apply p log x plus q log y equals p plus q log x plus y. Now you can see next step. Now you differentiate with respect to x. So p into log x differentiation 1 upon x, q into log y differentiation 1 upon y, dy upon dx, p plus q same, log x plus y differentiation 1 upon x plus y. Now differentiation of x plus y 1 plus dy upon dx by chain rule. Now terms having dy upon dx you take on one side. So q upon y dy upon dx minus, you can take from RHS this term, p plus q upon x plus y dy upon dx. Now p plus q upon x plus y is already in RHS, and this p upon x you can take in RHS, so minus p upon x it will become. Now you can see dy upon dx is common, so q upon y minus p plus q upon x plus y into dy upon dx equals p plus q upon x plus y minus p upon x. Take LCM. By taking LCM you can see here, so qx plus qy minus py minus qy upon y into x plus y dy upon dx equals px plus qx minus px minus py upon x into x plus y. What is cancelled? X plus y cancelled, qy cancelled in LHS, in RHS px cancelled. So what is remaining? qx minus py upon y into dy upon dx, qx minus py upon x in RHS, dy upon dx qx minus py upon x multiplied by y upon qx minus py. You take the term qx minus py upon y in LHS, in RHS. So this will cancel qx minus py. So what will remain? Y upon x. Dy upon dx equals y upon x, which was to be proved. So like this you can prove. This was also good question. Now one more question I am taking. You can see here it is given y equals cot inverse x whole square, and you have to prove. I will tell you. Question is this one: 1 plus x square whole square d2y upon dx2 plus 2x 1 plus x square dy upon dx equals 2. How to prove? You can see y equals cot inverse x whole square is given. So dy upon dx will come 2 cot inverse x. Now differentiation of cot inverse x minus 1 upon 1 plus x square by chain rule. So by simplifying, minus 2 cot inverse x upon 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square you can take in LHS with dy upon dx. So it will become 1 plus x square dy upon dx equals minus 2 cot inverse x. Now differentiating again. So 1 plus x square same, differentiation of dy upon dx d2y upon dx2 plus UV rule I am applying here. Dy upon dx same, differentiation of 1 plus x square 2x. In RHS minus 2 same, cot inverse x differentiation minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now this 1 plus x square again you take in LHS, you multiply with all the term. So it will become 1 plus x square multiplied by 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square whole square d2y upon dx2. Now with 2x also you multiply this with second term. So 2 plus 2x 1 plus x square dy upon dx, and minus 2 into minus 1 in RHS it will become 2. So which was to be proved. Now one more question, it was question number 17. So these were the questions from ISC questions. So other questions you can do. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. I will clear your doubts. So thank you and have a nice day.